Hi, in this video I will show you how you can make easy $100 a day by simple translating document, script, anything, any letter and anything. Yeah. Thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Elvis Ibrahimovic, and if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel below this video. In this video I will show you how you can make easy money with translating any document. So example, I will show you in a favor how people make simple money. Example, we will see here, start for 22. I just type, I translate any document. So you can translate any document, any script, any letter, and any language as well. You don't have to know every language. You can see here basics start for 22, standard cost £42, premium cost £100. £101 is up around 750 up to 1,500 words. So basically, this person only translates from Japanese to English and to English to English to Japanese. Let's see another one. This one is English Spanish. Yeah? Let's see this one. It's very interesting. I will translate any business or alleged document professional. So let's see. So he starts from £8.45. That's around $10–12. Or standard one is 211. This package is really 10,000 words. Or premium is up to 18,000 words. Is £337. It's very good then. Let's see another one. I will translate any English text. Let's see this one. This one sounds like you translate. I will translate any text. Easy, simple. £25, basic, standard £84, premium £168. Let's see is any. Yeah, this sounds good. So basically, what you need to do, you need to find a way how you can translate any text. Example, if you come to favor.com and you become the seller, so you can run your own gig. Example, you can write, I will translate any text, documents, language, any document from any language. Example. And basically, when you do this one, you will register. They will pay you by PayPal. Second thing, what you need is you need to you have to find Google Translate. Google Translate is easy. It's free method. Anyone can do it. You can do worldwide. Doesn't matter where do you live. And from favor.com, same thing. So basically, what you need to do, you have to find some text. Example, we're gonna find any text. Let's say we're gonna go here, and we're gonna copy and paste this. And what you need to do, example, someone send you documents. This is gonna be your job, yeah. Someone send you this by email. You're gonna copy this and you're gonna paste this in translate documents. You're gonna paste here. And we're gonna choose the language. Probably they're gonna say to you, "Oh, can you translate the English text or English document to the Spanish?" And you say, "Yes, that's fine. I'm gonna charge you $25 or something like that." So you do at least 4 or 5. You start with a low amount. Let's say $5, $10, $15, $20, and when you get the rating, you can raise your price up. Yeah. Let's what I say Spanish. Yeah, you can do Spanish. So look what happened. Yeah? This is translate to the Spanish. So what you need to do, you copy this and you send this to your client. Yeah? Probably it's not going to be short text like this, but example, if it's text longer, you will do probably you will copy this bit here, and you're gonna translate, and you're gonna copy to the notepad, and you're gonna do second bit. You're gonna copy this, and you're gonna go to the Google Translate, and you will delete this one. You're gonna copy the rest of the text, and you're gonna get all on Spanish. This is so easy method, guys. Anyone can do it from any country, and is amazing. And also, you can check different websites. I know of Favor, but you have so many different websites where people are looking for translators. So you can write any gig, say, hi, I translate any text, any documents, anything from English to any language, yeah? Or from different language to English, doesn't matter. You can say you translate everything, yeah? And basically, when you get the jobs, you're gonna come to here, Google Translate. You're gonna go to your email. You're gonna copy the text, and you're gonna place to the Google Translate, and voila, that's it. Hola, señora. And you copy this, and you send to your client, and you earn $5, $10, $15, $20 per job. You can do this as many you want a day. You can do at least 5, 6, 10, doesn't matter. Start with a low price, because when you get reviews and your rating go up after 6 months or year time, you can lift up your price, say $50 per translate, because you're gonna be more popular and stuff like that. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope so this is gonna help you to start earn money online. And see you next video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel for notification. Thank you, guys, and see you soon.